Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be very happy to welcome you into our little community. So today I wasn't planning to film actually, but I thought I'm feeling really tired, lazy. I was on my couch practically all day. I didn't sleep well. You see the picture. And I thought maybe I can show them what makeup do I do when I feel tired and I want a little bit of a glow up. I was thinking maybe I can film the process and that would interest you guys. So if you want to see how I pass to this, then keep on watching. So when I'm not feeling, it's not that I'm not feeling good, but I mean, in my skin, when I feel tired, what I have in mind is to have a glowy finish. So I will start with the Farsali Rose Gold elixir. You have to shake it up before. For foundation, as I want to use something glowy, like I said, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infaillible 24 Fresh Wear. It is lightweight and I still have the impression that it gives enough coverage. I don't want a full coverage, even if I have redness and all. That's beautiful thing going on my face. So I'm gonna use this foundation and I'm gonna mix it with the Hollywood Flawless Primer that I really love, as you maybe know. So I'm just gonna put some primer on the face and I will put on my sponge some foundation and blend everything together. Then for under the eyes, I'm gonna use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. You know that I love this stuff. It has a peachy, pinky undertone and it corrects the blueness under the eyes. And what I like as well is that it gives a brightening effect, so you don't look that tired. And I really need it, because like I said last night, I didn't sleep that well. I don't know, I have a lot of insomnia with this pregnancy and I had nightmares. That happens a lot as well when you're pregnant. I will go now with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I like to go a little bit up to brighten the face and like to, how can I say that, to elevate more the skin, you know, to have this impression of going up and not down, because when you're down you have this effect of tiredness, so you have to bring stuff up, if that makes any sense. I will correct a little bit of on my face with the L'Oreal Infaillible More Than a Concealer. To set everything, I'm gonna use my powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I quickly did my eyebrows and now we're gonna continue with the complexion. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweetie Pie because it has a little bit of, not shimmer, but you know, it has more than one color, a little bit of pink and everything, and it will bring a little bit of glow on the face. I could have used as well the Hourglass palette that I have, you know, the ghost one that I used in one video. I will put it here if you want to see the result. And it smells so good. It smells like peach. I like to put it a little bit on the nose like that, as if the sun had hit it this point, even if there is no sun today. With a smaller brush, what I like to do, again with this idea of going up, I will put a little bit of bronzer right here at the end of the eye to the temple. For blush, like I said a million times I think on this channel, I really like a peach color. I really have this impression that it brings me to life, you know, like I am in good health. It brings a good kind of color, I think, on my face and on everybody complexion. I think peach is a really good color to go when you're feeling a little bit down, tired. So that's what I'm gonna use today. I am using the Alamar Cosmetics. You know, I love this trio, and I'm gonna go with Castaway and Scorcher, the two orange in the palette. Plus these blushes are a little bit glowy, so it will continue with the theme that I have going on my face. Because when I'm not feeling, you know, that good, not that I'm sick or anything, but like I said, tired, a little bit down, not loving yourself on the day that happens, you know. I think that glow brings you in a good mood, you know, like good health. I'm putting a little bit right here as well, but just a little bit. I don't like too much blush on my nose actually. Now I'm gonna use the By Terry CC powder in the color Glowing Powder Immaculate Light, you know, this one. I think it brings a beautiful glow, more on the natural side, as you can tell. See, it really brings you glow from within. I really like this one. And you know me, well, maybe not, but you will learn to know me. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Marc Jacobs Worth the Wait highlighter. This is completely different. This is really glow on your face, glow from space, but I'm just gonna use it at the high point of the cheek right here. See? Now I feel better. To contour without really contouring, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild bronzer Reserve You Cabana. This one, like I said, it is really light, so I don't use it as a bronzer, but I'm just putting the powder right here to like cut the face without any baking and all that stuff, because I'm lazy today. For the eyes, I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm lazy, I'm tired, I just want to look good quickly, so I will continue with the peach color, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Geek Lemonade, no, it's Peach Bellini, sorry, Peach Bellini palette. And you know, just going with the flow, I'm gonna use a little bit of this one on the crease, on a fluffy brush, nothing precise, just so I can bring a little bit of color. Going a little bit up, like I said before, but you know, just doing a blow effect. You can use oh shit, not the good color. You can use your bronzer if you want, or a blush as well. I just have this palette and I wanted to use it, but if you're feeling really lazy, just, you know, grab what you already have in front of you. I will put the color Prosecco, this one, a little pink shimmer, going with my fingers, put that on the lid. Nothing precise, you know, I'm really going in. It will help with the glowing effect. See? I like it. And if you're feeling it, you don't have to, like I said before. But I'm taking the peaches color again, and I'm just putting that a little bit under the eye. I put some highlight on my inner corner, and for mascara I use this sample that I have from Benefit, Bang Bad Gal, and I have to say I really like this mascara. It's not the first time that I've used it. I used it as well in the video where I do 3 looks with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. If you didn't see this video, check that out. But I really like it because I have the impression of big lashes, and you know, I don't feel the need to put some false eyelashes with this. And on my waterline I use the Maybelline Master Drama The Nudes because it is like a pink nude, but not metallic, but with a chrome effect, and really brighten the eyes, and you know, just give you more life, more like awake feeling. And to finish up, I'm just gonna use a gloss. This one is from Clarins. I'm using something nude. It's a little bit of pink. Does it have, I think it has a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't remember actually. It's called Gloss Prodige Nude number 2. Oh, it smells so good. So, you know, I'm just throwing a gloss up so I don't have to be precise, and it's staying with the glow effect that I want. I put my Farsali Rose Gold mist on top, and here you have the result. I hope that you liked the video. If it is the case, please don't forget to like, share with a friend who loves makeup as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that my advice help you for the future when you want something quick. It was quick for me because I can do it fast now, but you know, to have a glowy skin and to not look that tired. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.